How to add shipping countries on your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how to manage the countries that you're going to ship to and all of these things in Shopify. So this is all going to be within the shipping and delivery section on Shopify, and we're just going to be talking about it in general. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So the first thing, to actually access that menu, you will need to go to your Shopify admin, and then from here you just want to go ahead and click on the settings bar at the bottom left. From here, like I said, you just want to go to the shipping and delivery section, which should look a little something like this. And then we want to go to the general shipping rates and zones. So here is going to be where we want it to be. So by default, you're going to have two different zones. First one being let me just remove these rates because we can talk about them a little bit later. So for the shipping zones, you will have two different ones by default. The domestic one, which is where the Shopify store that you own is based in, which by default could have a free delivery rate. And then we also have the international one, which is going to be for all different countries, and it's going to also have a rate by default. Now, here you have two different options. Either one, you're satisfied with what you have. In that case, then you just want to select the rates that are proper for them. Let's talk about rates real quick. Basically, for the rates, if you just go to the domestic one, you can feel free to add multiple rates for that one. And for the international one, you can feel free to add rates for that one as well. To do so, it's very simple. You just want to click on add rate under the respective option. So for domestic, you just want to click here. And you can just go ahead and give it the name. So rate type, you just make it flat. Shipping rate is going to be custom. And then custom rate name is just so you are going to be able to differentiate between them. So I'm just going to name it free delivery over, misspelled delivery over 100 AD. So here you can just feel free to make it 0, so it is free delivery, and then we can add conditional pricing. In that case, we want it to be based on order price, but you can also make it based on the weight of the item. So let's just go for order price, and then it's going to be minimum price, 100. So in that case, if they buy 100 dirhams worth of products, then in that case, it's going to be free delivery. And click on add, and then we just want to add the other one, so we just click on add rate, and you get the idea. Same goes for the international. Now for shipping zones, if you're not happy with these two and you want to add extra, or be more specific with specific countries, you can feel free to click on add shipping zone, and then you just want to go to add more countries / regions and markets. Once you click on that, you basically want to select the countries that you actually want to add a market to. So you just click on add market on the top right, and you would want to select them. So feel free to select whichever type of market that you want with countries and stuff. So let's just go for United Kingdom, if I can actually find it here. Oh, sorry, I was not in the search bar. This is the actual name for it. I'm just going to name it UK. And then in this search, I'm just going to search for United Kingdom. There you go. It is an international, but we can make more, specific rates for specific countries. So just go and click on add market, add to market. And now we should have it in here available for us, which is the UK market. So same thing now goes for this one as well. You can feel free to add the rates for them and everything, and we can just go back to now here's the thing. Now the international is inactive, so make sure it is actually active, and also these two are active. So it's going to show you now we have two countries, or zones I mean, that are active, which is the domestic one and also the one that we just selected, and we have this one as inactive, so we can just go ahead and make it active, and we can just click on save and go back. In this case, okay, all of them are active and we're good to go. Now we can just go back to shipping and delivery and set them up from here. The only thing you need to do is just go ahead and add the zone from here. So add shipping zone, and then you would want to click on the zone name, which is not available for me for the time being for some reason. Wait. Okay, so it was not showing because it was already available in the international. So you'll need to make sure you actually disable it from international. You can just click on edit zone and remove it. And then you can just add shipping zone and you can just search for United Kingdom. Sorry, again, just one more time, United Kingdom, like so. And click on done. And now you'll be able to add the rates that you actually want for them. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.